Hey folks, you hear that? That is my Arylic hi-fi digital amplifier amplifying sound throughout the house, multiple rooms. Now I gotta cut that before we get a copyright issue, but let's go ahead and talk about the benefits of this fantastic product. So it doesn't matter if you're a DJ or a home audiophile, this is going to make a world of difference in your audio life. Okay, think about it. All those music systems, whether that's Spotify, iHeartRadio, Napster, anything out there, you can broadcast that now throughout the house. You can have it straight out to your speakers. You can have the RCA out. It's pretty much allows you to broadcast multiple different ways, really high fidelity, really fantastic sound throughout the house. Now I'm gonna show you the product up close and personal so you can see all the details, because I know a few of you are like, just show me the back of it and show me what all the connection ports are. We're gonna cover all that here in a moment. But right now, I just wanted to tell you about how fantastic the high quality sound is, the range on this thing, and just the overall aspect that you can now stream music, whether it's from your phone or whether it's from your computer, and you can have that going into multiple rooms, different areas, different volumes, whatever you need, all the touch of a button. It's easy and simple to set up. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna switch over to the tech specs and we're gonna show you the details up close and personal. All right, stick around. All right, folks, let's go ahead and take a look at everything you get. This is the Arylic Play and Enjoy Sound Differently. It's the A50 Plus. It supports Airplay, full digital amplifier, multiple room, DLNA, and Spotify connection all in one. It's a wireless multi-room full digital hi-fi amplifier. All right, so I'll take this out so you can take a look. Pretty awesome. I'm gonna put it to the back side so you can get a real good look at that. We'll zoom in here in a moment. It says the speaker power is 24 volts, 4 ohms, 50 watt times 2, or 24 volt, 8 ohms, 30 watt times 2. Speaker impedance is 4 to 8 ohms. Audio format includes MP3, AAC, AAC+, ALAC, APE, WAVE, FLAC. Decoding is up to 24-bit or 192 kilohertz. Input audio is analog RCA, digital SP-diff optical. It has a speaker out. Wireless network is the 802.11. LAN is 10 by 100 RJ45. And Bluetooth 5.0, so that's very advanced in all of those. USB host is USB plays music, play USB music, and micro USB connect to PC. Also, it has a power import of 24 volts, 4.16 amps. What else can I tell you about it? It will work with all your big like Spotify's, Deezer's, TIDAL's, Napster's, internet radio, TuneIn, iHeartRadio, etc., all the big ones. iTunes music stored locally on your iOS device, so you can play it through your iOS. And it's compliant with all your third-party software, USB disk drive. The package contains the A50, the 24-volt power, the remote control, 2 RCA cables, 2 to 2 RCA cables, 2 to 1 RCA cable, and of course the user manual. So there's the user manual. Wow, this thing is impressive. One of the really nice aspects is that it has very easy to understand user manual, all right? Not all user manuals are the same. Sometimes you get them in kind of broken English. It has a good explanation of everything that's on the remote. That's gonna be a big deal. Streaming services, everything you need to know. Just nice, right? Even tells you all the pieces on the back. Let me go ahead and get that a little bit closer for you so you can see the back, because some folks just want to see exactly what they're getting. They want to feel like this is, they want to know what's up. They want to know exactly what they're looking at. You can see whether it's the passive speaker, the Wi-Fi connection. They've got so much stuff here. Your DC input, your run out to your Mac or Windows PC with the USB there, Bluetooth connect over on the side. There's just a lot of stuff here. RCA analog, your active subwoofer, your optical, your LAN port, and your connect to a USB pen drive would be right there. All right, now this works with your Google Play or your Apple download or for stream. I like the optical out. That is just such my favorite. I don't know why. I just feel like you get the crisp sound with optical out. I'm always happy when a device has that. This overall great quality, right? You got your left and right speakers. I didn't even realize it says all these right on it, so that's nice too. You see you've got your Wi-Fi, you got your Bluetooth connection, all that stuff right in it. Let's see what else we have here. All right, go ahead and flip this over, and you can see here's your power, your antennas. I guess I'll put these on right in front of you, right? Why not? Oops. Kind of hard to do while holding the camera, but you get the idea. That's just going to go ahead and screw in. Then you've got, of course, your, there we go. I just screwed in, not in front of the camera. There we go. Your RCAs, even comes with a little screwdriver, your connector for your speakers, that goes there, boom, boom. That's, looks like you got the 2-to-1, all that kind of stuff that I said earlier. Just to lock in your speakers, that's nice. To wear a regular speaker wire, if you're not familiar, put it in there, tie it down, plug it in the back, you get your speaker out. And well, let me show you a little bit more about the remote control, baby. I like that this thing is easy remote control. If you're a DJ, this is a must-have, right? There's so many things here. I know we're covering so much tech stuff, and sometimes people don't like all the tech specs and things, but it's just nice for the guy who does need this, who does want to buy this, and he's like, oh, cool, okay, that's exactly what I needed to know. So you can see, ooh, this thing's spinning around. It's like it's on glass. But you've got your on and off, your LED on and off, your mute button, USB mode, your auxiliary mode, your standard play, pause, and angles, optical in, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. You can change your bass and your treble up and down. Long press to restore flat, and your deep bass, and your button select 1 through 6. So just a straightforward mouse. Okay. Was that AAA batteries? I always mess up the names of the batteries. So anyway, folks, go ahead and pick it up. This is a fantastic product. All the details, it looks good. Let's peel this off. People love to watch the peel. You love the peel, don't you? All right, folks, go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. It's a great product. It's the A50 Plus, and you're gonna dig it. All right, thanks for watching, and let's see if we can get a good thumbnail here. Thumbnail. Adios, amigos.